Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make African cornbread, easy method. Start by gathering 2 cups cornmeal, 1 cup warm water, 1 tsp salt, and 2 tablespoon oil. Mix until just combined and let rest while you prep a skillet or baking pan. Heat the pan medium, add a little oil, then pour and press the batter to about 1-inch thickness. Cook until golden, flip once, and finish until cooked through and fragrant. In this section, I will explain key ingredient tips and simple prep steps. Combine cornmeal and salt, then slowly add warm water, stirring to avoid clumps. Fold in oil or butter to improve texture and flavor. Let the batter rest 5 to 10 minutes to allow cornmeal to hydrate fully. While it rests, preheat your skillet or oven so the cornbread begins cooking immediately and forms a nice crust. In this part, I will help you choose cooking methods that suit your kitchen. For skillet cornbread, press batter to 1-inch thickness and cook 8 to 12 minutes per side on medium. For oven baking, use a greased pan and bake at 375 degrees F for 25 to 30 minutes until set. Always check the center by pressing or using a toothpick, and let the loaf rest briefly before slicing for cleaner pieces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.